Over the past 50 years, there have been about 2 cases of conjoined twins locally. One pregnancy was terminated, and in the other case, the babies died shortly after birth. But the case of Azaria and Azora is a medical success. We first highlighted their story in October 2024. And this evening, there's confirmation from the hospital in Saudi Arabia that their procedure was a success. Ramada Lyons has been tracking their story.
From tears to overwhelming joy, 2-year-old conjoined twins Azora and Azaria have been successfully separated at the King Abdullah Specialist Children's Hospital in Saudi Arabia. The hospital sent to a news center footage from the 9-hour procedure, which was completed by a specialized team of 26 surgeons and nurses supported by more than 90 medical professionals. In October 2024, their mother spoke optimistically about this moment. A little over a year later, she watched the procedure intently, visibly nervous. She's been in Saudi Arabia over 3 months with the girls. They arrived on July 28, 2025. Here, the final seconds of a landmark operation. Surgeons counting down to a moment that will define the girls' lives forever.
Count down 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, separated. Alhamdulillah.
Here, for the first time since they were born, one of the twins by herself post-surgery. The hospital says they underwent 3 months of intensive medical evaluation. The hospital also shared a release with our new center. The head of the Saudi Conjoined Twins program, advisor to the Royal Court, and the Supervisor General of the King Salman Humanitarian and Relief Center say the separation is a significant feat. The release reads, quote, "This separation surgery is a miraculous milestone in a program that is fully supported by the leadership of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia." End quote. It adds, quote, "The girls now have the best possible chance to live happy, fulfilling, and independent lives thanks to the dedication and compassionate care of many medical teams and the support of their family and extended communities, both locally and internationally." End quote. The girl's mother last year.
No matter how small it is, may I beg on you, please help me and help my girls.
Gladly, her plea didn't fall on deaf ears. The release also says, quote, "The twins' recovery marks a significant pediatric surgical achievement by the program, which for the past 35 years has offered hope to families worldwide facing similar challenges." End quote. To date, the program has reviewed 152 cases from 28 countries and has established a reputation of medical excellence globally. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.